feels a little strange having the Titanic right there.
It does, but look how beautiful the light is hitting the hull right now.
Look how massive it is, even just this section. It's hard to believe it's really here, rusting away.
We made it to the coast. The replica is right in front of us. It's exactly as rusted as they said it would be. This section here, right at the water line, shows the most significant decay from the salt water.
Look how the waves keep hitting it right there. It's incredible the lower plates haven't completely rusted through yet.
The contact point shows significant stress. The internal structure must be completely compromised.
And look at these rivets here. The corrosion is severe.
We'll use a low transport platform, roughly this wide, to stabilize the salvaged pieces.
Yes, that should minimize. We could attach the primary toe here, near the reinforcing plate, and the secondary point should be higher, just above that heavily corroded area. Ready? And pull.
Steady, steady.
Clear on the whole side. Look at the stress fracture here by the shackle.
It's worse than we thought. The corrosion is severe.
I'm documenting the integrity failure now.
The valve handle is secure, but the housing needs attention.
Agreed. We should schedule replacement during the next cycle.
Now that the water is down, the corrosion on these lower plates is worse than expected. Agreed. We need a full structural assessment.
The reading here is 12.4 millimeters. 12.4. I've marked it down.
Gel is applied to the cleaned area.
Positioning the probe now. Steady pressure.
0.85 inches.
Steady at 15.2 millimeters.
Noted. 15.2.
Look at the thickness data right here. That's the surface. Okay, that matches the survey report. I'll check it off. Corrosion here is significant. We need more data on the plating thickness. The ultrasound readings suggest local section.
Good. We need to cross-reference with the partial corrosion removal report.
Okay, gloves are on. Where are we starting? See the chalk marks? We prep that section first.
Air hose secure. Clear to operate.
Roger that.
The measurement is 6.2 centimeters. I'm noting that now.
We need to verify these thin steel areas against the original schematics.
Yeah. I'll use this to check the alignment here first. Move the top slightly left. There. There. Perfect alignment now.
The cutout is clear of the seam here, well within the safety margin.
Confirmed. The structural integrity holds for this section.
Ensure this section is fully covered before we start.
The extinguisher is ready by the chalk line.
All right, let's step back to the safe zone and wait for the signal.
So far, we've completed zones 3 and 4.
Right, but the pitting in zone 2 is deeper than expected.
Check the gap on the starboard side.
It's tight, maybe a millimeter off. Nudge it up.
How's that?
Looks good. Tension secure. Power tip, tie pull. The alignment on the starboard side looks good, but check the stress points here.
The thermal imaging suggests an anomaly near
The seam looks solid, but check the heat affected zone right here.
Looks consistent with the procedure specs. No visible undercut.
Noted.
The grinding here is flawless.
Agreed. The continuity looks excellent across the entire plate.
Yep. I'll sign off on this section.